Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I will show you how to diagnose and replace an O2 sensor on any car. Doesn't matter which brand it is, doesn't matter if it's diesel or if it's gasoline. In today's episode I'm working on this Volkswagen Passat B6. This car is from the year 2010 and it has a common rail engine. It has a 2.0 TDI engine and this car has an error. The O2 sensor is no longer usable. The O2 sensor must be replaced because I cleaned it a few weeks ago and I put it back to see if any change have appeared, but the O2 sensor still have a problem. I still have a light on the dashboard, and in today's episode I will show you how to replace it and how to install a new O2 sensor on a common rail engine. Okay everybody, so to begin what we have to do first is to lift the cover from the engine and put it away. As you all saw, the error which I had onto the dashboard was telling me that I have a problem with the bank 1 sensor 1, and the sensor 1 is the sensor from above the DPF filter. The DPF is the shortcut for the diesel particle filter, and the sensor from the top is the problem which we will have to solve. And if it was sensor 2, if it was bank 1 sensor 2, it would be the sensor from under the DPF filter, so the sensor from under the engine, the sensor from under the car, to be more specifically. So today I'm going to replace it and I'm going to install this new Bosch O2 sensor, and to do so you'll have to use a 22mm key or a special tool to remove the O2 sensors. So from here it's very simple, just follow what I'm doing. To begin, you'll have to follow the wire. In my case, the wire goes from here and it has some plastic clips which hold in from not falling around. And you'll have to remove those plastic clips, and after that you'll have to follow the line until you will reach the mounting clip. In my case, the mounting clip is right here. It's the third clip on these cars. You'll have to disconnect it, and in this way you'll have to put it away. As I said earlier, you'll have to use a 22mm key. In my case, I'm going to use this key, and it can be a little difficult to reach the special spot in which you can fit the key onto the O2 sensor, but after that it will be very easy to remove. In some cases, those O2 sensors can be very stuck, but you'll have to put a little of force and they will come out eventually. From here, you'll have to undo it and remove it completely from the car. So remember, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I already cleaned this O2 sensor 1 week ago, and the error is still onto the dashboard. So cleaning the sensor didn't fix the problem. So in our case, the wiring was okay, so all we have to do is to replace the O2 sensor, and after that the problem will be permanently solved. To install the new O2 sensor, you will just have to put it back onto the DPF filter, and after that you'll have to fit the cable onto the special clips, onto the mounting clips, and after that you'll have to put it in the exact position as you removed it, the old one. After you're done with fitting the cable onto the mounting clips, you can't go ahead and tie the O2 sensor back onto the DPF filter. Just make sure you don't tighten it very much, because if you tighten it too much, in some cases you can destroy the threads. So just want to make it snug, and after that you can move forward for checking the dash light errors. Okay, so the O2 sensor it's fitted in onto the engine. Now let's go inside the car and check if we have any error back onto the dashboard. For now, I don't have any errors onto the dashboard. And now let's go ahead and check onto the scanning tool. Okay everybody, as you all can see, I don't have any errors onto the dashboard and onto the scanning tool. So this is meaning that replacing the O2 sensor fixed our problem. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.